For this shot, I'm going to be going for that early morning cinematic wake up scene, so I've got my camera rigged to a C-stand for that overhead look. At first, the scene looks a bit flat, too much light coming into the room and not very much contrast. So once again, I turn all the lights off to give me that blank canvas. I'm going to be using SmallRig's projector torch to create a single golden ray across the face, something like sunlight slipping through the curtain on a morning. Now the shadows to the right of my body are far too heavy and dark, so I add a softbox with an egg crate and I put the Kelvin settings all the way down to give me that golden look and imitate the sun. This is the before image and this is after. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Please feel free to leave any questions, advice or tips in the comments.